The 11 biggest announcements at Amazon's hardware launch event. I didn't even know they had one. I kind of recall actually in the past, but who knows whenever they're doing it. I probably got invited to one of these things at some point in time. I guess they feel they have enough products to have their own events at this point.
Yeah, they're okay.
The new Kindle Scribe, which is kind of like remarkable.
Yeah.
So it's an
e-ink
e-ink
tablet.
But you can draw on it. Kindles aren't just for reading anymore. The newest Kindle is an e-ink tablet that you can use for reading and writing. It comes with a 10.2-inch screen with 300 ppi, along with a basic pen or premium pen option. I don't mind it. You're mad about that?
No, I just think that their products are very much in line with like important use for people. Like this e-ink display. It's nothing flashy or anything like that. You know, you get your Echo Dots and stuff like that.
I think I'm going to pick one of these up, Will.
Yeah, okay.
I think I'm going to pick one of these up. You know, I've been writing a little bit more.
Some poetry?
No, just taking notes and things.
Okay. I think Mo would like that.
The writing? Him and I were talking about the other day.
A lot of notepads.
We were talking about how just the action of writing. Now, granted, the technology you're replacing is pretty simple and inexpensive, and then people who are into writing also get into pens, and they get into paper, and they get into part of it is that enthusiasm. Don't you know anybody that's into pens and paper or pencils?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, there's people
writing letters, you know.
But I'm talking the actual stationery that they like a certain brand or a certain. Do you understand where I'm going?
Yes. Yeah.
Anyway, I'll give the Scribe a crack. 5th gen Echo Dot speakers have new sensors and better audio. That's starting to look more like.
They look nice, eh?
Google speaker sort of looks like that. No?
Yeah, with the light.
Well, the clock is nice.
Yeah.
Then you can turn off your always on display. Not use your battery life 6% over 8 hours because you just look at this instead. You can also use the Echo speakers as Wi-Fi extenders. Along with 2 new Echo Dot speakers, Amazon announced that you'll be able to use the devices as Wi-Fi extenders for your Eero Mesh Wi-Fi network. That's right, because Amazon bought Eero. Did they buy Eero? They did, didn't they?
Yeah.
While the ability is coming with the new Echo speakers Amazon announced above, it's also coming to 4th gen Echo speakers on October 20th, as well as 4th gen Echo Dot devices in the coming months. Echo Auto. Wow. I'm already talking to my car, though. I don't think I need this microphone because my phone's already listening. The car is listening in most cases.
But Amazon needs to listen.
I guess Amazon needs to listen, don't they? I guess Jeff needs in there too, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Amazon showed off the new Echo Auto, a device it hasn't updated since 2018. Like its predecessor, Echo Auto puts Alexa in your car, giving you hands-free control of your car's audio system, Bluetooth-connected calls, and more. $54.99. All right, so it's not super pricey. I guess if your car had nothing like it, it had nothing, no voice capabilities, but most people's phones at least do.
Yeah.
Even though some BMW cars already support Alexa, BMW is now taking the voice assistance tech to build its own system through Amazon Alexa's custom assistant program. BMW plans on rolling out its own assistant to cars sometime in the next 2 years. A sleep tracking bedside light called Halo Rise. Ooh, Will, you like this? You're into the sleeping.
Yeah, I like this. I've seen variations of this before, where it's like a rising sun, and then it would kind of like the light would dim or turn brighter.
Yeah, Philips did that. But this one is looking at you to tell you how well you slept. Are you okay with that?
I don't know. Okay. I don't think so.
Wow. You place it on your nightstand. It tracks your sleep using sensors for movement and breathing, and it's supposed to tell you how well you slept. You can also use it as an alarm clock. It wakes you up with lights and sound. I don't know, Will, but it is $140.
Yeah.
See, the thing about sleep tracking, one of the big issues is wearing things. Like wearing devices is annoying when you're trying to do the sleep tracking. I don't want anything when I'm sleeping. So I had the Withings one. It goes under the mattress, so you don't even look at it. You can just look at your sleep data if you choose to, but you're never reminded of the fact that that's what you're doing. And when it comes to smartwatches and things, A lot of times you're taking it off, putting on the charger anyway.
Yep.
So you have this like more permanent sleep tracking hardware. But the way that this thing is kind of looking at you, I don't know.
It looks like an eye.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know how.
It's Bezos'
I don't know which sensors are in there and how they're determining it when you're tossing and turning. But you've been tossing and turning lately, haven't you?
Huh?
And as far as your sleep is concerned, you haven't been
How do you know that?
you haven't been having the best sleep.
No, I have.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Usually fall is pretty good.
Oh, okay. Fall. Interesting.
Yeah, I cracked the window open a little bit.
No, but you were having the temperature issues you were talking about. You were saying it was too hot. You're looking at blankets.
Yeah, that's a whole blanket issue that I need to figure out. But yeah, I think the window helps with the breeze at night.
No, I'm all for it.
You know?
I'm all for it.
Yeah.
I just remember you talking about all these problems.
I know. I'm still working
now
on
you're
it,
downplaying it. Like it's as if it's not a big problem, but
let's not go there here.
Okay. Okay, we're not
If anyone has like a good blanket they recommend.
So you do want to go there.
Cool sleepers.
So we are going there.
Or hot sleepers, just hit me up, let me know.
Cool sleepers or hot sleepers?
Hot sleepers.
This is interesting stuff right here. This is gold. This is must-see TV. This is what Netflix needs. They want to keep the subscriptions.
Yeah.
Whatever adventures Willie do gets himself into trying to find the right blanket so he can finally get some sleep, but then he can tell me he has no problem sleeping moments later after we had the discussion. There's more to this. I feel like there's
millions upon millions of views.
I feel like there's more to the story here, and I think that people would love a thorough investigation into what's really going on.
Okay. We'll figure it out.
Be like, what is it?
Part 2 dropping next week.
It would be like one of those true crime podcasts.
Yeah.
We find out a little bit more each week. Like, why didn't he want to talk about it? What could have been wrong with him talking about it?
We need a theme song.
Something dramatic. And then they'd be like, why does he need? What's wrong with his blanket? What's wrong with a regular blanket? What's he trying to hide? What's he really doing at night? Interesting. So I'm just trying to create some drama to keep people subscribed to Netflix. You understand?
Yeah.
They got shareholders, all right?
Okay.
New Fire TV Cube lets you control your cable box with your voice. Man, it's like we got 50 new microphones for you.
Yeah, and very at-home stuff.
Yeah, we got 50 new microphones for you. A pair of high-end 4K Fire TVs.
Look at that. That's not bad, eh?
No bezel. You know what I like? How it's Seattle versus Toronto on the baseball game.
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Well, Seattle is obvious because they're Amazon, but they picked Toronto, which is cool because we happen to be there right now. So.
Yeah.
And also the Jays have been playing pretty well, and they're going to be in the wild card here pretty soon.
Right on.
So I don't know if you're going to go in the playoffs. So you're going to go see the game in the playoffs.
Sure. Yeah.
Have you been getting those emails?
No, I haven't.
I literally just got an email. They're trying to sell me the playoff tickets right now. They're like, get your playoff ticket. And they put the fire emoji in the subject line.
Because you like to spend the big money there, right? So they're like,
they know I'm going to buy these tickets. Yeah. I guess so. But I feel like actually, in terms of total number of games, I've been to fewer. Like Mo and Kirk have been all over it.
Yeah, especially
Kirk was just there like a night ago.
Yeah.
So I'm actually trailing when it comes to that. In addition to the new Fire TV Cube, Amazon also took the wraps off 2 new Fire TV Omni QLED TVs coming with ambient light sensors, dim the display when no one's around. 65-inch starts at $799, 75-inch, $1099. But obviously, I'm looking at this, and the coolest part is the fact that there's almost no bezel at all other than on the bottom. So that's a pretty clean-looking display right there.
Camera is probably at the bottom here.
As far as I can tell. Camera, microphone, etc. Yeah, obviously. That's right. Jeff's on the other side of each one of these things. Pan and tilt mount for Blink Mini. Amazon introduced a way to transform your current... I don't even know what Blink Mini is at this point. Is this a security camera?
I think it's like a streaming camera.
Simply place the camera atop the new mini pan tilt mount, set it on a table or mantle, and then remotely look around the room from the Blink app. It's got to be a security thing.
Okay, yeah, you're right.
Yeah, it costs $29 and the camera's $59, so that's pretty affordable. And now all of a sudden you're on the remote just looking around the space, like what's going on, checking up on your pet. I don't know.
Yeah.
Ring Spotlight Pro is a more advanced cam with wireless option. Getting power from the sun. Will likes that. Man, they have so many brands. I just realized under the umbrella that they've acquired recently. Ring, and earlier we were talking about Eero, and they're going to have they got a whole ecosystem going on here. It is interesting.
Stuff.
Some of the brands, they maintain the names, though. They don't switch them over to Amazon. Like, they could call all these things Amazon if they wanted, but they don't.
Do they have a RoboVac as well?
Not that I know of.
Oh, okay.
Why, you think they bought, like, what was the original RoboVac company? I can't even remember at this point.
iRobot?
Yeah, iRobot. You think they bought them? I don't think so.
No. Maybe.
No, I don't think so. Maybe next. Maybe that's the next thing they need, Will. Since you're already spending Jeff's money here.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. Scroll down a little further. Astro Robot.
Yeah. They're building this.
No, that's not a vacuum. Why can't he just be a vacuum as well?
Maybe, yeah.
Wow, I kind of want that thing. Can you buy that thing right now? The Astro Robot? That'd be pretty cool in here.
Yeah.
Driving around in here?
Yeah.
Click on it. See what happens.
Helping out.
Buy that thing? I don't know. Look, it can fit a drink. It has a drink holder in it. Bring you something to drink, Will. We're going to look into that for you guys. Maybe this is the future here of future unboxing video.
Yeah.